Good morning, students. Hope you understood lesson number 5 of science. Let us start the new lesson number 6, changes around us. Today we are going to see reversible and irreversible changes. Changes happens all around us, even within us. Most of them are irreversible, but some of them are reversible. Let us learn about reversible and irreversible changes and understand the differences between them. Today we will see lot of examples of reversible and irreversible changes. Before starting the new lesson, let us have a glance on the new words of this lesson. Evaporate, turn from liquid into vapor. Evaporate words, children, you are seeing from standard 4 onwards. Dissolve, to mix a solid, liquid or gas with water or any other solvent for the formation of solution. Freeze, to turn into ice or another solid as a result of extreme cold. Solution, a mixture of two or more solids in a liquid. Solubility, it is a measure of the amount of solid that can dissolve in a certain amount of liquid. Solvent, a substance which dissolves another substance to form a solution. Solute, a substance which dissolves in a certain solvent at a given temperature. Today we will see the two types of changes, reversible changes and irreversible changes. All the changes in the world are these two types, reversible or irreversible. A change which can happen backward, that is can be reversed, is called reversible change. If you keep water in a freezer for some time, it transforms into ice. But as soon as you are keeping the ice outside, again it will become water. So it is a reversible change. Again another example we can see that if you are blowing a balloon, the shape and size of the balloon will be changed. As soon as if you are let the air escape from the balloon, the size and shape of the balloon will regain. It will regain its shape. So this is also reversible change. Another example, making the aeroplane from the piece of paper. Here we can see in the picture. You are folding with a different folding, we are preparing the aeroplane, and if you want to bring back the paper, you will unfold the aeroplane. So again this is the reversible change. Another example, your mummy is preparing roti every day. For preparation of roti, she is making a dough. She is making the different balls for rolling the roti. Once she is taking one ball and rolling the roti and she don't like that shape, again she will remold it and she will form again ball, that is also reversible change. A change which cannot happen backward, that is it cannot be reversed, is called an irreversible change. When you burn a piece of paper, it turns to ash, but we can't bring back paper from the ash, so it is irreversible change. Once you grown up, your height will not decrease again. This change is also irreversible change. So irreversible change, once the change occur, you will not able to bring back. That change is irreversible change. Making the omelette from the egg, irreversible change. So different examples you can tell of irreversible changes. Another example you see in the picture, there is a aeroplane using the paper. Once you will cut that aeroplane, you will not prepare it back again its original form. Another example, if you are blowing the balloon will increase in its shape. If you will tie its mouth and prick it with the pin, what you will observe? It will burst. But this time it cannot be bring back to its original shape and size. So it will be again irreversible change. We will see one more example of irreversible change. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough. Again, but now you have to bake it on the tawa and see whether you can bring this baked roti back to dough. Definitely not. We can't bring back the baked roti into dough. So we can say that this change is also irreversible change. Let us see some examples based on reversible and irreversible change. One activity we will see. Different examples I have given and you have to recognize whether the change is reversible or irreversible. The first is the sawing of piece of wood. It is whether it is reversed? No. The melting of ice candy. It is reverse. Once you are keeping in the refrigerator, it will again form the ice candy. Dissolving sugar in water. It can also be reversed because with the process of evaporation, you can bring back the sugar. The cooking of food. It is irreversible change. So, it can't be reversed. The ripening of mango. Again, it is irreversible change. So, it cannot be reversed. The souring of milk. It also cannot be reversed. Let us see some more examples of irreversible changes. Formation of curd from milk, irreversible change. Breaking of glass, glass we can't bring back in its original position. It is also irreversible change. Growth of plant, irreversible change. Melting the wax, it is also irreversible change. Irreversible change is permanent change and that cannot be undone. Again, certain examples you can see: making the omelette from the egg, irreversible change, and many more changes are irreversible change. From the given table, we can see more examples on reversible and irreversible change. Reversible changes: glowing of electric bulb. Once you will switch on, the bulb will glow. If you will switch off, it will be off. Another one is conversion of liquid into vapor. It can convert vapor into liquid also, reversible change. Sublimation, conversion of solid into vapor. Ice will convert into vapor. Vapor is converted into ice, that is also reversible. Collapsing of mimosa plant. Touch me, not plant. Once you are touching that plant's leaves, it will be collapse. So that is also reversible change. The different examples of reversible changes are burning of paper or burning of wood. Once it will burn, it will not bring back. Rusting of iron. Rust cannot be changed into iron again. Making of curd from milk. Growth of plants and animals. These were about the examples of reversible and irreversible changes. Thank you.